Most people want financial peace, yet they never take the time to understand where their money goes. A monthly budget isn't about restrictions. It's about control and clarity. Today, I'll show you how to build a clear monthly budget that actually works in real life. Step 1 is tracking your income. Write down every source of money you receive in a month. For most people, it's salary. For others, it could include freelance income, commissions, or government benefits. The point is accuracy. Next, write your fixed expenses. These are the bills that almost never change. Things like rent or mortgage, car payments, insurance, internet, and phone. These amounts give structure to your month. Then, add variable expenses. These change month to month. Groceries, gas, dining out, small purchases, subscriptions, and personal spending. Variable expenses are where most people lose control without noticing. Now add up your income and subtract both fixed and variable expenses. If the number is positive, you have room to build savings or invest. If it's negative, you're overspending and something needs to adjust. A good budget includes savings as a bill, not an afterthought. Decide a percentage you'll save every month. Many people choose 10 to 20%. Even small amounts make a difference over time. If you have debt, your budget needs a repayment plan. List each debt, the interest rate, and the monthly payment. High-interest debt should be tackled first because it grows the fastest. Now categorize each item. Housing, transportation, food, insurance, debt, entertainment, savings, and other. Categorizing lets you see patterns. Maybe you spend too much on food. Maybe subscriptions are piling up. Next, set spending limits. Limits aren't punishment. They guide your choices and prevent impulse spending. For example, you might set $400 for groceries and $100 for eating out. Use a budgeting method that matches your personality. Some people prefer the 50-30-20 method. Others like zero-based budgeting or cash envelopes. The best method is the one you stick with. The 50-30-20 method is simple. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings or debt. It's flexible enough for most people to apply without stress. Zero-based budgeting assigns every dollar a job. If you earn $3,000, all $3,000 should be labeled to a category. Nothing sits idle. Cash envelopes help with spending habits. You put physical cash for groceries, dining, or entertainment into envelopes. When the envelope is empty, you stop spending. Once your method is chosen, track your spending during the month. You can write it down, use a phone app, or a spreadsheet. Tracking is the heart of budgeting. Without it, you're guessing. Review the numbers at the end of the month. Ask simple questions. Did I stay in limits? Did I overspend? Did I save? Did anything surprise me? Honest review is how you improve. Adjust for the next month. Life changes. Bills change. Incomes change. A good budget adapts without falling apart. Expect mistakes. Some months will be messy. That doesn't mean budgeting doesn't work. It means you're human and learning. The key is consistency. Automate as much as possible. Automatic savings, automatic bill pay, and automatic debt payments reduce stress and prevent missed deadlines. If you're budgeting with a partner, communicate. Shared money needs shared clarity. Hidden spending, even small amounts, creates tension. Budgeting brings transparency. Track irregular expenses too. Things like car repairs, medical bills, gifts, or annual fees. Set aside a small monthly amount for these so they don't derail your plan later. Over time, you'll notice patterns. Maybe you don't need as many subscriptions. Maybe your grocery routine can be optimized. Small improvements compound. A monthly budget gives you power. It helps you save for goals, pay off debt, and avoid chaos. Money becomes a tool rather than a source of stress. Start this month. You might surprise yourself. Subscribe now and learn how to save better, spend smarter, and plan for financial freedom.